Canary Islands, 34 Alpha Tango 185. This is 9 UDX 791. 9 UDX 791 on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. "34 Alpha Tango 185, this is 9 UDX 791 west coast of Canada. This is 9 UDX 791 Gulf Islands, Canada." This is 9 UDX 791 west coast of Canada. 9 UDX 791 Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Hello, Canary Islands. Do you copy west coast of Canada? Doesn't want to talk. 9 UDX 791 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. This is 9 United Delta X-Ray 791. 9 UDX 791 Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Yes, 9 United Delta X-Ray 791 Gulf Islands, west coast of Canada. QSL 791 west coast of Canada, Gulf Islands off the west coast of Canada. QSL.
Yes, okay, 100% myself from Canada, 9 Division, Unit 791. I copy you now, 5 Okay, my cursor is a 34 Alpha Tango, Unit 185. My operator name is Victor from north of Tenerife Island, Canary Island, okay?
All right, Victor from Tenerife Island, Canary Islands. Very nice Q5 copy there, Victor. You have Joe on this side, Juliet, Oscar, Echo, and my QTH is on the Gulf Islands. The Gulf Islands off the west coast of British Columbia, Canada. QSL. All right there, Victor. All right, Victor. I do have a bit of QRM on this side. You're making a good copy here, though, through the QRM. My working conditions, RCI 2980WX, 2980WX RCI radio, D104 microphone, a 3-element Stereo flat side Yagi beam, 3-element flat side Yagi beam pointed your way with about 125 whiskeys. 125 whiskeys, running it through a Texas Star 500 high drive amplifier, turned down. QSL. A lot of QRM. Oh, come on in. Come on in, Trace. I'm talking to Tenerife right now, and I'm on live. I do live. Come on in. This is my friend live. Yeah. I'll sign it. I'm just finishing with his juicer. He's in Canary Islands. All right there, 34 to Alpha Tango, 185, Tenerife, Canary Islands. Hey, cheers, 73s. Thanks for the QSO. We'll talk again. Happy DXing from 9 UDX 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. QSL. Cheers. It's pretty cool, huh? 73s. Cheers. Yeah, I